out here, and this is the inaugural range test of the TeamGee H20. Now this bad boy is supposed to go up to 32, 34 kilometers. We're going to be testing it today. So again, the idea is ride this bad boy, ride this sucker until the battery dies. And luckily I have my charger with me in my bag, so I can charge it at a designated pit stop. Alright, I'm taking you guys along for the ride. Let's go! Right, we're here in beautiful Xi'an. It's a nice cloudy day today, so it means it's not going to get too hot. As far as the telemetries go, I am recording the distance I'm going. Of course, the odometer on the Seahorse wireless remote and on my Huawei Health app, which is tracking my position via GPS. We're going to use these two, compare them, and see how far we can get. Right now, we are now standing at 4.5 kilometers so far. Also today, I'm wearing more protective gear because it's been 2.5 weeks now, almost 3 weeks since I had my first fall on the H9, where I completely busted up my leg. Cue! Gross screenshot right here. Go check it out. It certainly handles hills well. According to the spec sheet, this thing has a 25 gradient hill climb. I'd say this is about 30. Doing very well. I'm trying to stick to the parks and the sidewalks today. Man, driving in China in traffic though is scary as hell. I mean, side mirrors, that shit's for decoration, yo. So this is where this thing excels, cutting through traffic. It's so nice. No traffic. And here I was looking for a nice quiet park to finish the range test. Not gonna happen. Welcome to Dayanta. It's one way to get through a crowd. You find an ambulance, or you find a little tourist car. Hello. Get you right through the crowd. It's awesome. Check it out. Now that's a skateboard. That's a skateboard. Nice. Bloody security guards. I'm not allowed to go through this section. So technically I'm cheating, but the board's not counting. Okay, so we just hit 15 kilometers on the range. I'd say it's about halfway of the estimate of what I'm going for today. If I can reach 30, I'll be super impressed. 32, top notch. But this thing still says it's on 3/4 battery, so I think we might actually get way more than 32. Who knows? We'll see. Still going strong. The board is performing fantastically. I mean, these notches where my feet are on make it so easy to turn. I mean, this board is so responsive. Just a flick of the foot, a flick of the ankle, and this thing just starts turning. I think carving on this thing would be, woo, you know, if I could carve. Not yet, but one day, soon, we will carve, and this will be my go-to board for having lots of tons and tons of fun. This is a really steep incline I'm going up now, and this thing just goes, man. This thing just goes. And we have just hit 20 kilometers. Still going strong, man. This remote says about halfway. Shit, if this thing gets to 40, absolutely blown away. But we'll see. I'm going up some hills now because I gotta get back where I came from. But I'll check back with you at 25s.
Work
22 kilometers into the range session. Man, my legs are fucking hurting. My back is hurting. So it looks like the GoPro died before the battery on the skateboard died. We're at 25 kilometers right now. And I don't know, this thing still says half. It's crazy the amount of range in this thing. Let's soldier on. One small problem is when I took the break earlier, I paused the Huawei app that's tracking my telemetry, and I forgot to turn it on until I got to this park. And so there's about I'd say there's about 4 kilometers missing, which will show, but at least the odometer was still keeping track. It just came to mind, this thing is so quiet. It's perfect for drive-bys. You can just sneak up on a guy. Pop. So we're at 28.7 kilometers, and this thing just gave me my first beep. So it looks like we might be actually conquering this battery, because god damn it, my legs are tired. Amazing, 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 this thing's range. It's crazy.
That's right. Y'all better watch out. No fixes on the rise.
I need a break.
Total distance 31 kilometers. Total time 3 hours 21 minutes 4 seconds. Last kilometer pace 5 minutes 6 seconds.
34.6. Ah, there it goes again. Ooh, the battery not gonna last no long. I think this is just ahead. Nothing. Motleo. It's done. It's done. And the grand total of, ooh, so close. 35.9 kilometers. 35.9 and nada. This thing is not moving, yo. But that is an super good test range. That was fantastic. But now I'm super tired. Well done. Well done. The TeamGee H20.